Intro hook. Have you ever moved and realized you forgot to update your address with one of your important services? It's a common mistake, but it can lead to a lot of headaches. Today, we're going to show you how to quickly and easily change your address with Newton. Context: Newton is a popular financial app that offers a variety of services, including bill payment, budgeting, and investment tracking. If you've moved, it's important to update your address to ensure your payments are sent to the correct location. Step-by-step guide. Open the Newton app. The first step is to open the Newton app on your smartphone or tablet. Navigate to Settings. Look for the Settings icon, usually located in the bottom right corner of the app. Find Address Settings. Scroll through the Settings menu until you find the Address or Personal Information section. Edit your address. Tap on the Edit button next to your current address. Enter your new address. Fill in the required fields with your new address, including street address, city, state, zip code, and country. Verify your address. Double-check the information you've entered to ensure it's accurate. Save changes. Once you're satisfied, tap on the Save or Submit button to confirm your new address. Additional tips. Update other services. Don't forget to update your address with other important services like your bank, credit card companies, and utility providers. Check for confirmation. Newton may send you a confirmation email or notification to let you know that your address has been updated successfully. Contact customer support. If you have any trouble updating your address, don't hesitate to contact Newton's customer support team. Outro. So there you have it. Changing your address with Newton is a simple and straightforward process that can save you a lot of hassle in the long run. By following these steps, you can ensure that your payments and other financial transactions are sent to the correct location. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time.